How to create Gmail account. Here is a step-by-step guide to get started. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then from the menu, select Add another account to add a new Gmail account. After that, select Create Account option to begin the account creation process. Enter the first name and surname into the fields provided. Afterward, hit Next to proceed. Then you will be prompted to enter your birth date and gender, and tap Next to continue. Now create your own Gmail address. You can use letter, numbers and full stop. Once you are happy with your choice, hit Next to proceed. Next, you will need to set a strong password. Make sure to use a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. Once you have entered your password, click Next to move on. Now enter your phone number. However, if you don't want to, you can skip this step. Finally, agree to the privacy and terms. That's it. Now you know how to create Gmail account.